Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Cash App how to remove family. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over and open up your Cash App, and once you do that, here tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. And once you're inside the profile icon, scroll down until you find the support us page. And once you do that, here what you need to do is click on accounts and settings, or tap on accounts and settings. And once you do that, here on the search bar, type in account ownership and then tap on transferring account ownership. And once you do that, here you'll be sent to transferring account ownership. Now in order to remove family, what you need to do is simply tap on chat, and once you do that, you'll be sent to your Cash App support. Now all you gotta do is enter in the reason, number and the name of the family member that you want to remove, and once that's done, all you gotta do is send. And once you do that, the Cash App will help you to remove from your family account, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.